In our previous video, I showed you how to create a header with NewsKit Elementor Addons plugin. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an off-canvas menu. This is the canvas menu button in the header we are creating. Let's begin. Go to Dashboard, NewsKit, Theme Builder, go to Save Templates, create a new template, write template name, edit template. Add heading, write title. Go to Styles, edit text color. I'm choosing Roboto Slab font family, increasing size a little bit. Medium font weight. Pick text color. Edit section. I'm going to add padding. Next, I'm going to add site nav menu. I will select the menu that I have created for this nav menu. You can choose either horizontal or vertical orientation. In mobile menu, put mobile menu breakdown to 0. In animation settings, I'm going to remove hover effect. I will add advanced heading. As of today, there are 14 different layouts. Next, I will add news list layout 1. As it is off canvas menu, I think it would be better to show only one column. Edit column and row gap. Edit excerpt length. Roboto Slab font family for post title. Edit size. Medium font weight. Add a bit of bottom margin. Next, in post author, I will select Open Sans font family. Normal font weight. Post date is also a meta element, so I'm going to select Open Sans. I will select Open Sans font family for post excerpt as well. Add a bit of top margin. In post title settings, I'm going to increase bottom margin. In image settings, I'm going to choose large image size. Next, adding social icons. Left alignment. You can choose either rounded, square, or circle shape. Go to Styles tab, edit size, padding, spacing between icons. You can add multiple social icons. Adding top padding. Next, add text. In this text editor section, I'm going to write copyright text. Pick text color. Select robot slab font family. Choose the appropriate size. Medium font weight. Adding a bit of top margin. Click on News List container and go to Post Query. Edit number of posts to display. Publish the page. Reload the page to get the template that we created for this canvas menu. Edit canvas menu. Now that the template is available here, you can select it. Our off canvas menu is now active. As the contents seem too congested, I'm going to hide post author, post excerpt, and post categories. Reload the page once again. You can also edit canvas width. Publish it. Reducing font size and bottom margin in post title. Just a final touch in post-it typography. Creation of canvas menu is now complete. If you have any questions or need any help, please visit blazethemes.com and contact our support team to get free support.